Hello, good afternoon. This is CRS past question, year 2019. Question number 27 says, before rebuilding the wall of Jerusalem, Nehemiah first A. confided in a few people with his plan. B. Called a general meeting to assess the damage. C. Study and assess the extent of damage. D. Attached the arch enemies of Judah. The correct option here is option C. Option C. Before Nehemiah and his brothers or other Israeli started the work or the commencement of the rebuilding of Jerusalem, at that time he assessed the cost, view it, what they need to put in place, what they need to get, and then look at the monetary aspect of it. So this is what they put together, and he assessed them, and then before he went ahead and meet the king who gave him the permission to rebuild Jerusalem again. We will find this in the book of Nehemiah chapter 2 verse 11 to 20. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.